Racing just is started. One slow out and that is flash away. Scout Ranger rushing up now on the outside is Windy Ferencia. Dash of Humor comes next down the inside. Remus is Smart and now rushing up on the outside is Don Martino. Dragon May also there. Then comes Ram Tam Windy racing. Second last is Douglas Charm, while flash away is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Remus by about half length, and in second Scout Ranger is Smart, and Naval is on the outside third. Windy Ferencia. Don Martino comes next. Dragon May is on the outside. Dash of Humor just right comes next. Ram Tam Rindi, Douglas Charm second last, while flash away is still racing in 11th. Inside the tres octavo, bunch of entries and now fighting out for the lead. Scout Ranger moving up on the outside. Don Martino. Remus comes next. Smart and Naval. Windy Ferencia. Dragon May, Dash of Humor, and on the outside now is just right. Ram Tam Rindi. Douglas Charm while flash away is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have a Scout Ranger by a length and a half. Don Martino the outside. Smart and now last 100 meters. We have a Scout Ranger followed by Don Martino, and on the outside is Smart and Naval, and finally Scout Ranger. Don Martino, Smart and Naval, Dragon May, Remus, and Windy Ferencia.
687, 11, 210.
Right.
Unofficial.
Scout Ranger ang ating unofficial winner.